Several areas in Chennai experienced heavy rain starting from 8:30 pm on November 11 through the morning of November 12, marking the start of what is said to be a rainy week. The Greater Chennai Corporation's Command and Control Center recorded an average citywide rainfall of 2.5 cm, with the heaviest downpours in Madipakam 6 cm, Alandur 5.1 cm, and Adayar 5 cm. The regional Met Department reported that Meenambakam and Nungambakam received 3.9 cm and 2.4 cm respectively. The forecast predicts heavy rain across Chennai, nearby districts and parts of Delta region until November 15.
Only isolated place. Basically, a low pressure area formed yesterday over the southwest bay, which moved westwards, and now it lies over the southwest bay of Tamil Nadu and South Andhra coast. Now this low pressure will slowly move westwards, crossing the region. Now under its influence, broadly if you say that 4 days, there will be many places in Tamil Nadu, Karaikal and Puducherry area. Most of the many places is likely light to moderate rainfall. Overall picture is like that next 4 days. But there are places where likely have the heavy rainfall, and that will change day to day. It depends upon how the moisture feed is taking place and how the wind feed is, because system is moving slowly westward, and as it enters behind the system, now it is very close. Yesterday it was close to the coast, so we had northerly winds. Now it is nearly inside the coast, so you will have some easterly winds today. Then after that southeasterly winds. So moisture will come into the picture. So next to 24 hours, if we take that Tirunallur, Chennai, Kanchipuram, these areas, we expect 1 or 2 places heavy to very heavy. And apart from that, coastal districts, delta districts as well as Pondicherry, Viluppuram, these areas, 1 or 2 places heavy rainfall is expected. Extreme rainfall is not possible now. As of now, the system is a very weak system. We are not expecting any extreme rainfall. Maximum heavy, very heavy. That will be at the rate of 12 centimeters. That is in 1 or 2 places. Mostly heavy rainfall is possible at the system. Fishermen. As far as the fishermen is concerned, fishermen now southwest bay, Kumarin area, Gulf of Mannar and Tamil Nadu coast as well as South Andhra coast. Squally winds of the order of 35 to 45 kmph. At sometimes 55 km at times it will strike that. So fishermen are advised for 2 days not venture into this area for next 2 days.
What's the larger picture in terms of overall rainfall during this northwest monsoon?
Northeast monsoon, larger picture if you see that when from 1st October, usually northeast monsoon we count from October 1st to December 31st till date to today, 12th November. This period totally, if you take that, normal is 259, recorded is 256. It's 1% only below normal, but we take it as normal only. Plus or minus 19% is taken as normal. Departure from the normal, we take plus or minus 19 is normal only. It is normal only as of now.
In terms of accuracy, why is there a problem sometimes?
Which one?
Forecast very heavy rainfall. It doesn't happen that way. Sometimes you forecast moderate rainfall. There is extremely heavy rainfall.
See, that any perfect system forecasting system is not that. There are various physics being done. Weather forecasting is a complex phenomenon. Any weather phenomenon, it is multitude of factors interact in non-linear way. So it is not very easy, and we have limitations both in science constraints and data also. Basically, when you do the computations or any there are limitations will be there. Multiple complex interactions are taking place in atmosphere, and as well as ocean is interacting. So various factors come into the picture, and one energy is converted into another energy. You have a barotropic energy conversion, baroclinic energy conversion, so many energy cycle in taking place in atmosphere. The complete understanding will help you all the scales, and whether is things which occur from small scale to larger scale phenomena. Now if you say that here we have presented also, you have MJOs there, you have waves from east to west, you have waves from west to east. So multiple complex things are taking place. Local factors will be there, regional factors will be there, global factors will be there. All put together, non-linear interaction, they will determine the things. Sometimes it may go off the mark.